Oh, there's a lot I'm thinking about. Losing my head is freaking me out. It's always just the same poison play, stuck inside the teenage craze again. Now I'm 19, future looks bright, but I still go out every night. We all just play pretend, fake friends, stuck inside the teenage craze with them. But I can't get enough of it. Oh, I've been running up the mouth. No, I can't get enough of it. You, we never used that. We never used that. We never used that. We never used that.
Look at my car, dude. Film me in my car.
Recimo, izvinite, samo jedno pitanje, da li možete samo pozdraviti mene u videu, ako nije problem?
Hamza, evo, selam i te pozdravljam.